Old screenshots are easy to forget and hard to review one by one. Here is a faster cleanup on your iPhone. First, open the App Store and search for Video Compressor HEVCut. Choose the purple app with this icon. Open the listing and tap Get to download it. When the installation finishes, tap Open. The first time HEVCut opens, tap Allow Full Access so it can find the photos and videos you want to manage. Open unwanted photos in HEVCut and filter to screenshots. You can see how many were found and how much space they use. Tap Select All for obvious clutter, or review individual screenshots if some contain receipts, directions, or information you still need. Check the final selection, then confirm the deletion. iPhone keeps the removed screenshots in Recently Deleted as a safety net.